So we're outbound in the procedure turn, so 359 degrees outbound, and the GPS is telling us 359 degrees outbound, but it has this loop here which is actually not the same as the actual procedure turn. So what we should do to be correct is that when we get to this point here, we should make sure that we're back into heading mode on the autopilot and actually steer the plane to track 359 degrees down there. So let's do that. Let's synchronize the heading bug. So you can do that now running. So synchronize the heading bug and go into heading mode. That's it. So heading mode is now changed up here. Okay, and we're just approaching the 4.3 miles now. So when you get there, then just turn the heading bug onto 359 degrees, which will initially give us our heading, and then we can confirm what the track is doing. Okay, so that's perfect. 179. That's it, great. So we've got our heading of 179, and then when we roll out on that heading, we're then going to check up here to make sure the track is 179, and if it's not, then we can make some small adjustments with the heading bug. So let's let that settle itself down. But what we're trying to do here is we're trying to follow the actual the procedure turn rather than follow what the actual GPS has said, which is actually not quite correct. So sometimes there are little things that you have to do to adjust yourself. So here we go, we're coming around now, not far off of the 179 degrees. So when it rolls out, we'll see what it's doing. So that's 182, 181. So there's not a lot of wind up here today, so therefore in fact a tiny little adjustment of a couple of degrees will give you the 179. However, here's our problem. Because the final approach fixed leg is not active, the active inbound course is actually GPS. And because it's GPS, we've got heading to intercept the localizer. Well, the localizer's not on the screen, so therefore it will just maintain the heading, it won't intercept. So what we're going to do is, we're going to switch the CDI on now so the localizer comes up by pushing the CDI button, and therefore now the heading that we're on, which is active there, will intercept the localizer, and also the glide slope is now displayed as well. So if you leave it too late, then it's going to be a problem.
So we don't touch anything here.
So no, so you're absolutely right, you don't have to touch anything now on the autopilot, because we can see on the scoreboard that it is flying the correct heading to intercept the localizer, and we have the heading and the localizer on the screen. If we waited for the GPS, or if we waited for the auto switching, it might have been too late, and therefore then it would have shot through. Yeah, good, so we're all sorted, expecting the localizer to take over, and now we're intercepting. Fantastic. And then as we intercept, we can then see that the glide slope will come down, and then the glide slope will take over. That was good.